Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Underneath the Hood. I'm Dave Martin, the owner of Martin's Auto Repair in Central Phoenix.
I'm Glen Hayward, the proud owner of Goodworks Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona.
And I'm Lee Weatherby with Accurate Automotive in the heart of Mesa.
And together, we represent 140 years of combined automotive experience.
Our goal is to change the perception of our auto repair industry by going behind the scenes and underneath the hood.
And we hope to share with you what it's like to own a small business and give you a perspective from an insider's point of view.
So let's get started.
Hey, all you podcast listeners, Glenn from Goodworks Auto Repair here. We have so much great content from the Ahwatukee Car Show, we had to split it into multiple episodes, so please enjoy another installment of our interviews with these rare vintage car owners, and make sure you follow and subscribe wherever you watch or listen. Thank you. We have Brad Taylor here. Brad's going to tell a little about himself, about Lily's Pad, which is an incredible charity that Goodworks Auto Repair and this place donate to. And tell us about your car that you got this heap in a.
It was a heap
when
you bought it. It was a heap.
Now you can see how incredible it is.
Yeah. So, well, I guess we'll talk about Lily's Pad quick. So, my daughter's name is Lily, and she's a cancer survivor.
Wow.
And so we created a indoor playground or indoor park for kids that are fighting life-threatening illness, and it's clean like an operating room. So, gives kids the ability to come out of hospital rooms, right out of a chemo pump, and come and play and be kids.
Yeah,
something that she never had. So
I commend you on that, man.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
And I want to encourage all the
That's a beautiful
listeners,
thing.
if you've never
That
seen
is a
or heard of
beautiful
Lily's Pad, get online, look up Lily's Pad. And they do have days when you can come in and just tour the place and see it when the kids on Wednesdays.
Yep.
And you'll be amazed at what they've done and how God has blessed their ministry to these kids.
Yeah. It's been 2 years in the making.
That's awesome.
Yep.
And Lily's
Really
been
nice.
good now for
Cancer-free for 5 years.
5 years.
Hey,
Cancer-free, treatment-free.
You know
Thank
what?
you very much.
There's the real congratulations.
Yeah, no,
Way to
I know.
go, Dad.
She's here. She's somewhere around here.
I love it.
So, doing around.
All right, so tell us about the car.
The car.
Mercury.
Okay, so it's a Mercury Comet. It's the Caliente trim level, which would have been a little bit more of a family car than like the Cyclone, which would have been the race car.
Yeah.
It's got a
Caliente, that's a Mexican or Spanish word,
Yeah.
which means
Hot.
hot.
And so, was this manufactured in the U.S.?
Yes,
or-
it was. Yeah,
Kinda
it's
like the color,
manufactured as yes, that's actually very close to the factory color.
Wow, what is
It's
that color?
an Inferno Red.
Inferno red.
Yep, which
Oh,
goes
that'd be
along with the
Caliente.
Caliente,
Well,
right?
see,
The
I was
Inferno
going to
Red.
say, I can feel
Hotter
the heat
than
coming
hell.
off.
Yep,
All right,
the
there you
Inferno
go.
Red.
Yeah.
It's got a 289 under the hood with a 4-barrel on it.
Wow.
It's actually on airbags, so it's on full air ride suspension.
So it rides nice.
It does ride nice, but
Yeah.
it was actually built as a lowrider in Lake Havasu
Wow.
by a Vietnam vet. So
Wow.
I found a magnet that has a ribbon on it, and it's decorated with a camel ribbon, and it says, I think it's like Latino Lowrider Club of Lake Havasu Vietnam vet.
That's awesome.
So that's cool.
That is really awesome.
It was in multiple accidents. So when I bought it, it was in primer gray. Both rear quarter panels had to be cut. They don't make any repops for this car because they only made it 2 years.
Yeah.
So I had to take Ford Fairlane rear quarters and scab them in.
Wow.
So there was a lot of metal work involved. It was trash. I did the metal work myself. Yes. Yeah, the metal work I did. I did take it out and have it and send it out to do final finish work and paint it. So
I'll tell you what, the nice part always
thank you.
how clean the line is right there.
Yeah,
Super clean.
this side,
that
the,
is,
the A-pillar was caved in too, so I had to do a lot of metal pulling. So it's been about 3.5 years of restoration
Wow.
or refurbishment.
I've watched your videos, brother.
Yeah, lots of grinding in my garage.
There we go.
Yep.
A lot of sleepless nights.
Well, that's a labor of
Early
love,
These
morning.
are LED headlights, obviously not the original. It came like this, and I didn't mind them, so I left them in.
Yeah, actually, it's pretty cool.
And then
Yeah.
my dad's standing over here. He actually,
Hi, Dad.
Yeah, he refurbed the front grille because again, there's no repops, right? There's nothing. You can't find any parts for these. So he took it in and did the paint on it, and then did the Mercury woman
So
logo
you
on
did
the
all
front.
the paint on this, huh?
Not all the paint, just the grill.
Just the grill?
Just the grill. Yeah.
Wow.
So and then
That was
there.
enough, wasn't it?
Oh, that was
That
plenty.
a project.
But
That's got to be a lot of
I think your dad's probably been getting up in your grill for a long time.
oh, he has. So under here's not nothing special, but you can see all the air ride suspension stuff on the sides here.
Yeah.
So all the original coilover springs have been removed and cut, and then they put airbags in the shock towers. They did a C-notch on the back, and then they did shock tower there too. So, but it's all drum brakes. All four sides are drum brakes. It's an automatic. It's a 289 4-barrel, pretty standard. It's got an old Carter 4-barrel sitting on an Edelbrock on top.
Is that a C4 transmission in it?
It is. It's a C4 transmission, so it's a 3-speed.
Yeah.
Nothing exciting, but it is
I had
fun.
a 65 Ford wagon had the same tranny in the C4.
Okay.
Good tranny.
Yeah, it runs good. It runs.
Use it
It'll
for
fire
drag
right up.
racing.
Okay.
Put different guts in it. That's
Yeah.
great tranny.
It's, I mean, easy running car. Starts up every time. The only downside is it's on airbags, which means that the compressors run all the time. So that's
Runs the battery down.
it runs the battery down.
Yeah,
Yeah, it runs the battery down. So it's got 2 batteries, one in the front, one in the back. So, yeah, but that's the labor of love, man. And so the history of why I own a Comet. My grandfather was a Mercury mechanic, and my dad drove a '66 Fairlane in the Army. So this was a very similar version, similar body.
It was a no-brainer.
It was a no-brainer, and on top of it, no one has one.
He was keeping it all in the
So
family.
I just like the fact that that no one has it. They walk up to the show. Most of them take pictures of the logo, zoom in on it, and still can't figure out what it is.
Well, there's an old song, "Only the Strong Survive." So
I'll take it.
There it is.
There it is.
It's kind of funny listening to some of these people's stories. We just talked to a guy over there with a Chrysler station wagon. And
Oh, yeah.
He drove it and he fell in love with it and he had to buy it.
But
Yeah.
the funny thing is, it goes to show, though, that, like you said in the beginning, this was just a pile of, stuff when I got it.
Yep.
One man's junk is another man's jewel.
Absolutely. I bought it for $4,300.
Wow.
And it was running, driving. The brakes didn't work so good. I think only one were working at
What
the
do you
time.
think this car's worth?
25, probably 30. Depends on who's buying it, but probably 25 is a pretty fair estimate.
Talk to some of these people, they got thousands of dollars for
Yeah.
cars.
Yeah.
Oh, 10.
Sometimes, I mean, I hate to say it anymore, it almost is at the point, the crossover is, it might be easier to buy something if you're just trying to buy something than it is to, do it. But this is a labor of love, and you know what?
I have about 18
I love the
into
story
it.
behind it.
I have about 18 into it, so
Yeah.
I'm still have some money left to spare.
There's a
But
lot of 18 and a lot of time.
that's the thing, though. If I wasn't
Yeah.
able to do the metal work on it,
Yeah.
it would have been
Yeah.
plus all the other mechanicals too on
Yeah.
it too. So
Well, and that's
really
just
what
it.
boils down to. It's the time that you got.
Yeah.
See, that's the whole thing. That's one thing I love about the car community is that, you know what? People out here doing things, and if you don't know how to do something, just ask. People
YouTube.
are more than willing to share. Yeah.
I'm YouTube certified
Absolutely.
mechanic.
There we go. Hey, way to go.
I have a degree in finance,
Yeah,
man.
there you go.
So
YouTube, man, you can find anything.
Pretty much.
There we go. I love it.
all right, gentlemen. Well,
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 there
Brad,
she
thank
is.
you for your
Thank
time
you.
today.
Appreciate
We
it, guys.
appreciate it. And you
Yep.
can find us on your podcast.
take care. You guys all
Hey, you know
shake
what?
hands.
I love the lilies pat thing.
Hey,
Glen doing his favorite thing, eating.
Yeah. Yes.
Ahwatukee Car Show, man. When you're giving donuts away, you never say no.
Yeah. There we go. Gotta have it. Yeah. Man, Gary Lee. Pleased to
Gary
meet
Lee,
you.
yeah.
Pleased to meet you, Gary.
Gary Lee Crosby.
All right.
Tell us what you brought out today.
So it's a 1971 M35A2. It's the turret edition. Well, I got the roof popped. I use it as a fire truck up
love
my
it.
property up
I
north,
love
and haul
it.
truck. And I brought it down to get some tires on it and have the brakes worked on. So
That's awesome.
got it here just in time, thanks to GoodWorks.
All right. Good deal.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Good
You,
deal.
so you drove it all the way down from up there?
No, I threw it on a flatbed and behind my 450 because we haul stuff, so I'm real familiar with hauling and trailers and.
And
so,
you use as a fire truck for the property up there.
Yeah, I have a big 500-gallon tank we put in the back with
That's
a big
awesome.
trash pump, 60
awesome.
gallons a minute.
That is awesome. Really awesome.
So
Yeah. And it runs well. Everything.
runs and drives. It's turned up right now. The fuel's turned up, so out in the dirt it drifts. It'll get sideways.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've hauled.
And
what
it's
was it?
hard for people to fathom that when they see dual rear wheels, big truck.
Oh,
But you know what?
the torque is there.
This thing is going to be
The
fantastic.
torque is there.
I know.
And
That's all.
0 to 60s never. And
Hey, I had it going 60. I had it going over 60.
Yeah. Here we go.
Crossing station wagon over
Zero-
the waist.
Zero to 60 is just not going to
Never.
happen.
But we've hauled, before I picked up a dump trailer, we used to haul 3 ton of rock in the back from down in Camp Verde up to Cherry. I've done at least 10 trips in it.
Wow.
So that's probably why the brakes were roasted
Yeah.
up and down the backside of the mountain there. But it actually rides better with something in it, than,
Yeah.
Oh, I bet.
and you don't
Yeah.
even know it's there, honestly.
Yeah.
So I could fire it up for you.
Yeah.
Dude, let's hear
Fire
it.
it up, man.
Yeah,
Fire
let's
it
hear
up.
that thing, man.
Okay, get a load of the smokestack because the
Yeah.
diesel fluid's going to come pouring out.
Oh, I love it. There it is. I love it.
It actually runs really good.
That is nice. Yeah.
Hi, Gary, come on out. Well, there you go.
Okay, now
the
we
roar
gotta-
of an inline six diesel. This is an AMC 1971 military truck. It belonged to the U.S. Navy. Is that correct?
Me?
Was this
No, it was
was this a Navy?
I don't know what it was.
I think it
was
said Navy somewhere.
turret model.
on it.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good to
Crazy.
know.
The
It's got a
Navy
Bel
doesn't
Air
just have
radiator.
ships; they got
Bel Air.
albatrosses like this right here. So
Yeah.
I was excited to be able to work on this. We spent about 10 hours getting the brakes off of this thing and fixing all of the brake hemorrhaging that was going on, and it was able to come to the car show today. So I'm very
Yeah,
happy
thank
about
you so
that.
much for that. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Really do.
Exciting.
Very-
It's
Yeah,
nice to
thank
have you
you.
here. You know
Yeah.
what? Thanks for bringing it out and sharing. 'Cause
Yeah.
you know what? Listen, this kind of fun things. A lot of people don't get to see this kind
This
of
has
stuff.
got to be
They
one of the
fixed-
most unique vehicles here at the show.
It probably
for
is.
sure.
Probably. I hope so.
Yeah, probably is.
He fixed a 1953 Ford Jubilee tractor.
Yeah.
They only made that for 1 year. He's fixed my CJ5, 75 CJ5 Jeep. So we'll
vehicles, don't you?
yeah, we'll see what I bring him next.
I'm scared.
He's like, don't call me. Don't call me.
Thanks
Buy,
again, Gary.
buy,
for your
appreciate
time.
it.
buy one of those new car planes and bring it in. I want to see Glenn fix that.
Oh, don't tempt me. Don't tempt me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a 1934 Chevy, and here is the proud owner. Introduce yourself and tell us about your car.
Larry Greasy from Tempe, Arizona.
Originally from
Chicago.
Chicago. All right.
Larry, welcome to the Sun State.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you, Larry.
Nice meeting you.
How long have you been here in the Phoenix area?
I've been here since 1990.
1990. That's
Wow.
when I came here.
Wow.
It's a 383 stroker,
383 stroker.
removable top.
Nice.
That's awesome. Hardtop convertible.
Yeah,
That's beautiful. Tell us, did you build this car?
I was built in Tucson by a friend of mine.
Built in Tucson by a friend of yours.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And
That
how
is
long have
awesome.
you owned it?
6 years.
6 years. Okay. And what would this car be worth in today's market?
Oh, I don't know.
No idea?
No.
I know you're not wanting to sell it, but I was just, questioning about the valuation of the actual
Yeah.
vehicle.
I would imagine they fluctuate so much these days that,
Yes, it's in the eyes of the beholder, right?
It is.
yeah, somebody
But-
wants it bad enough, they'll pay for it.
Yeah.
You probably
Well, I'll
get,
tell you what.
get over $100,000 for this thing, I'm sure, don't you think?
If I did, I'd sell it.
I wasn't pulling out my wallet.
Everything's got a price, right, Larry?
Yeah.
Got a lot of money.
My wife
Wow.
would kill me.
That's good.
Do you have
Gorgeous.
a few cars, or just is this the only?
I've got a 77 Corvette too.
Yeah.
Very nice. Is it a showable one? Do you show it?
Well, not really. It's all original. It's only got 50,000 miles on it.
Nothing wrong with that. You
But
can bring
it's
that
beautiful
just
car.
to show it off, just to
Yeah.
show the
He did. It's right next to it. No.
Yeah, yeah.
the
What
antique
do you
car.
like driving better, this one or the Corvette?
This one's more fun.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, well, this is the head turner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no one's not looking at this one. That's
No,
for
that's
sure.
exactly right. Well, you know, it's good. The thing of it is, it's so unique. And the thing is, it's so well preserved. Great job. I just
Yeah.
want to commend you.
Thanks.
So well preserved. And the thing of it is, funny thing about owning a car, it's not just, that somebody else built it and then I got it. Now you have to preserve it. Now you have to take care of it. And I mean, you keep
Yeah.
it garaged, you keep it nice, you keep it waxed, you keep it ready so that when people can, when you take it out like this, people can really, really appreciate it.
It's a job.
For
Yeah,
sure.
it is a job.
You gotta
Yeah.
check
Yeah, it
job.
is.
Well, thank you for your participation in
thank
the
you
car
again.
show.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Okay.
And
Larry, thanks for being out here, man, and
thank
sharing
you.
your stuff with us,
Yeah.
man.
Thanks.
Really
Thanks
wonderful.
again.
See you.
Yeah,
Nice
really
car.
nice.
All right.
Really beautiful. Thank you again. What is your name?
Charles Montoya.
Charles Lee Weatherby. Pleased to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.
this is Charles Montoya, the proud owner of this wonderful Fiat right here. I'm Glenn from
Yes.
Good Works Auto Repair.
Nice.
I'm Dave.
Hi, Dave.
Martin from Martin's Auto Repair in Phoenix. Tell us about this car. When did you
This
get
is
it?
a unique
How long have you owned
cruiser
it?
out here. We love it.
It's a 1971 Fiat Cinquecento, which is 500 in Italian.
Yep.
I am the third owner. The first owner, being an Italian national, was also
There's an
my
Italian right there.
my friend's landlord.
Wow.
And
New
my
York
buddy, who I
Italian.
was stationed with, purchased this car, drove it in Italy for a couple years, then shipped it to San Diego. When the time came, he knew I wanted it, made me an offer, and I picked it up.
Good for you.
And I've had it 5 years. I love it. I drive it every weekend. It's Italian, so there's issues.
So wait a minute. So tell me about. We were talking about a loading dock situation. So tell me what's up with the loading dock in the Fiat.
I take it to work once a year. the day of the Christmas party because I get to come home early.
Oh,
and
there
I
you
don't have to deal with rush hour traffic
love it.
because the top speed of this car is 50 miles an hour, and it doesn't do it quick.
Wow.
It's only 18 horsepower.
Wow.
So I take it to work, and then inevitably, by the time lunch rolls around, my car's in the loading dock sideways. And it's only 1,100 pounds. And they have their fun.
They pick it up, turn it sideways.
Up on the loading dock without a lift. How about that?
Yep.
Well, I'll tell you what a unique cruiser. Really, really nice.
But it's fairly dependable. I've been as far as North Scottsdale, into downtown Phoenix a couple times, all on surface streets, so I get to see my city.
Yeah.
Take the scenic
Where are you
route.
from originally?
Santa Fe, New Mexico.
Okay, Santa Fe. All right.
I joined the service and never went back.
Thank you for your service to our country.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sincerely. My dad served in Korea. I just miss going to Vietnam myself. So.
But I live at the Chandler-Gilbert border, and made it here this morning. Probably took me longer than anybody else.
I love it.
So do you go to other car shows with?
I do. I never go to win. I just go because everybody that walks by smiles, and that's all that matters.
And there's the part that I was going to tell you. Thanks for bringing this out,
Sure.
sharing it with us. Because you know what? People don't get to see this.
No,
You know
not
what I
at
mean?
all.
Not one
It's
that's
a
well
very
preserved
rare
like
car to
this.
begin with.
Such a nice cruiser.
And today, there's another one.
Is there really?
And the lady that owns it has been plagued with problems that I thought she was going to sell it. And she showed up, blown away. I wish we could have parked by each other.
I love it. Well, I'll tell you what. Thanks for coming. Thanks for being out here. And
Appreciate
thanks for
your
sharing
time.
with us,
Sure.
man.
Thank
No
you very
problem.
much.
Very,
Great
very
to
much
meet you.
appreciated.
Thank you.
Yeah, really
Thank
do appreciate it.
Sure, no problem.